I'm going to be driving this 2025 Nissan Kicks Play. So it's got remote start because this is the SV trim. It also has the silver roof rails, the alloy wheels with the 5 lugs instead of the 4 lugs. The S trim comes with steel wheels, 4 lugs, and drums in the back. So I think this has something to do with the Versa. Anyhow, just before taking this car out, one of my colleagues wants to show it to a customer. So we're going to be taking the S trim, the base trim. So I'll be putting a plate on this red one. There's no remote start here. The interior is different. The steering wheel is not leather wrapped and it's not heated, but it still comes with all these safety features and push button start. So I'm just gonna warm it up a little bit and we're gonna drive. The camera is gonna be attached to my chest on a phone holder, and it comes with blind spot. It's a 1.6 engine, 4-cylinder. I like how all this stuff is lit up in orange when I turn on the headlights. So the speed limit here is 80 kilometers an hour, which I believe is around 50 miles an hour. So I'm just gonna wait for traffic and see how it goes. It's not bad for what it is. This car has excellent visibility, and it's very easy to drive. And when I make turns here, I can feel the, I think they call it the VDC, touching the brakes on the inside a little bit to assist with the turn. But yeah, this is a really good car. I mean, they start around $24,500 Canadian, and the other trim is about 2 to 3 grand more. It's got lots of room. Nissan has a lot of cool features that people overlook. For example, they have something called Easy Tire Fill Alert. So let's say your tires are low on air and you fill it up. You don't need a tire pressure gauge. Once it reaches the required tire pressure, the car is going to flash the light and beep to let you know that tire is filled up. The other thing, this car, even the base model, the S trim, has rear emergency braking with the parking sensor. So if you're reversing and somebody comes from the side, it's gonna warn you and then it's gonna apply the brakes, which is kind of cool. And yeah, you can disable all these things, but I'm not aware of any car at this price point that has something like that. So there's space here for 5 people really comfortably. The steering wheel looks the same from the Sentra. So I'm just driving on some farm roads here. This car is great for grocery shopping because it's super easy to park and you have a lot of room in the back. The CVT is great. Like, this is not the CVT anymore from 2002. My brother has a 2016 Sentra with, I believe, 150,000 miles and no problems at all. The only thing he's done is change the battery belts, maintenance type things. But you don't have to worry about these things anymore, and it adjusts itself to your driving perfectly. It's kind of a light car by modern standards, but we're doing some sweeper type turns here and it's very, very stable and planted. Yeah, so that concludes the drive, and it's a good car. The thing that I like too is it comes with an actual spare tire, which is rare these days.